Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by sizing and prepping the vent immediately. Measure the grill opening and note airflow needs, then choose the magnetic cover that matches that size. Once done, turn off the HVAC or set the fan to off so the system won't suck the cover in while you work. Clean the metal grill thoroughly. Remove dust and paint flakes so the magnets sit flush. Next, position the cover over the opening and lightly press to check magnetic contact before committing. You now focus on secure attachment and an airtight seal. Align the cover edges with the grill frame and make sure magnets touch evenly around the perimeter. Unequal contact causes lifting. If you see gaps larger than 1/8 inch, apply thin adhesive foam tape to the frame first, then set the cover back on so the tape compresses and seals. Once in place, run the fan at low speed to observe for fluttering. Make adjustments, smoothing edges or adding tape until the cover stays stable. You finish by balancing and verifying performance before declaring the job done. Turn the system back on and monitor room temperatures, making small adjustments to other vents so you don't starve any room of airflow. If the cover doesn't hold, remove it and inspect the contact surface for paint, rust, or warping. Clean or lightly sand and reapply. If magnets still fail temporarily, use a lightweight clamp while you replace the cover. The key troubleshooting tip: ensure a clean, flat metal surface for reliable magnetic adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.